In this video, we're going to cover the last 6 tools inside of your toolbar. The first tool that we have is a rating tool. Simply click the icon or drag it into your survey. Immediately, an edit box will appear. In here, you can ask your question. You can then choose how many steps in this rating. In this case, we have 5, but you could bring that all the way up to 10. Below that, you can choose the shape for your ratings. In this case, we have a star, but there's hearts, circles, squares, bells, thumbs up, thumbs down, comment bubble, sticky notes, trash, and user. In this case, we'll stick with the star, and then we can choose whether or not this is mandatory. Once we're done, simply hit Save Changes. You should now see a ratings question in your survey where we can choose all the way up to 5 stars. The next tool is the Opinion Scale tool. Again, simply grab the icon, drag it, and drop it into your survey. Now you can ask a question once again. Again, you can choose how many steps you'd like to use. In this case, we're going to use 10, and you can choose whether or not this is mandatory. Once you're done, hit Save Changes. You should now see an opinion scale inside of your survey where the user can now choose how they want to rate your service. In this case, we'll choose a 10. The next tool is Contact Information. To add this to your survey, simply drag and drop. Then simply fill in the pop-up box. Below that, you can choose the label for each of the categories. You can also add new rows to the box by choosing company, address, or phone number. Once again, you can choose whether or not this is mandatory, and then hit Save Changes. The next tool is the Date and Time tool. Simply grab the icon, drag and drop it into your survey, add your question. You can then toggle on or off the date and time, and choose whether or not this is mandatory. Once you're done, simply hit Save Changes. You should now have a question inside of your survey where the user can fill in when they last visited your establishment. The next tool is the Text tool. Simply grab the icon, drag and drop it into the survey. Once again, you'll get an edit box that pops up, and you can simply add your information into the text box. Once you're done, simply hit Save Changes. You should now see your text inside of your survey. And the last tool is the Image tool. To add an image to your survey, simply grab the image icon, drag it and drop it into your survey. This will bring up the image library where you can add your own images. Simply click Upload Image, then either click in the box or drag in an image. Once you find the image you want to use, hit the Choose button, and then hit Upload. Once the image appears in the library, hit Save Changes. The image should now appear inside of your survey.